Now we have to create one program to read the value from user. So we have two different values we can read from the user, and we'll add them and we'll show the result to the users. Now to create the file, use notepad space your file name. Suppose file name is demo scanner 1.java. So it will open notepad file, maximize the file. After that, first statement, import java.io.star. Next statement, import java.util.star, semicolon. After that, class. Our class name is demo scanner 1, just like our class name, and curly bracket open close. After that, public static void main into the brackets string args square bracket open close. After that, again curly bracket open close. Now we have to create an object of scanner class. So we'll create an object sc scanner. Sc is equal to new scanner into the brackets system dot in round bracket close semicolon. After that, we have to declare three different variables. So a comma b comma c, these are the three variables. The first will have to give the message to the user. So system dot out dot print ln into the brackets double quotes enter marks for addition. So we'll take the marks and we'll store within first a, that is sc dot next int round bracket open close. After that, semicolon. Next mark will store in b, that is sc dot next int, because we are storing the integer values, so we'll use next int. After that, we have to add them. So c is equal to a plus b semicolon. After that, we have to display the value. So system dot out dot print ln round bracket open close and double quotes addition of numbers, I will give plus c. So save the program, close the program. We have to compile the program. So java c demo scanner 1 dot java, enter. It will compile the code. Now we have to run this java demo scanner 1, enter. It will check, enter the marks for addition. So give the 3 4, it will show the addition, that is 7. So in this way we have used a scanner class. Now we have to use a scanner class for calculating the area of triangle. So to create a triangle class, again notepad triangle triangle dot java will open. It will open the notepad file, maximize the file. First statement, import java.io.star. Next, import java.util.star. After that, class name is triangle triangle curly bracket open close. Again, public static void main into the brackets string args square bracket open close. After that, again curly bracket open close. We can use, so to calculate the area of a triangle, we need three different variables. So we'll have, so float, we'll take the float area comma l comma b, length and breadth. After that, we can declare the object of scanner. So scanner sc is equal to new scanner into the brackets system dot in, after that semicolon. Now we have to give the message to the user. System dot out dot print println round bracket open close, in the round brackets double quotes, enter length, enter L and breadth, that is B. Again we have to store, so first we'll store the length. So L is equal to sc dot next float. We know in previous session we have used integer variables to store the numbers. Now in this session we are using float numbers to store. So we have used a next float for the same purpose. Curly bracket L. Again we have to scan the B, that is next float round bracket close semicolon. Now we have to do the calculations. So we'll store within the area is equal to L into B divided by 2. Now we have to display this. So system dot out dot println println round bracket close double quotes area of triangle is plus area, after that semicolon. Save the file, close the file. Now compile the file. So javac triangle triangle dot java. So it will compile the file. After that we have to run this java triangle. So we have to enter the value. So we are giving the float value. So 5.7 9.8, enter. It will give the output, that is 27.93. That's the answer. Thank you.